My name's Tim Harper, and born and raised in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona here, where we're still working. WT Jenkins, we started out as an irrigation company in 1969. So I first discovered REI at a conference, actually, that was put on by our local Landscape Contractors Association. And as soon as I heard it, it blew my mind, and I had to know more about it. The concept is wonderful for what we do and for our climate. Obviously, water is an extremely precious resource in the desert, and anything we can do to give the plants what they need without overwatering, I'm very interested in. The first project that we did with the RDI Tubing was here, just a little residential rose garden, actually. It was a perfect setup for our initial test. It was a particularly troublesome area. It's south-facing, and it's sloped, so it's kind of pointed southwest. And for roses in the desert in the summer, that is a tall order. So I thought it would be a very good opportunity to try the RDI tubing. We haven't had much success with various other forms of irrigation in this particular spot. The RDI tubing has been in for almost 6 months now, about 5.5, and we are seeing really good results initially. We've been able to grow a number of plants mixed in with the roses that have done very, very well. The roses themselves are showing great new growth. We got a great bloom this spring from the roses, and so far they seem to be responding really well to the heat. We're now into the triple digits, and normally we'd start to see some burning toward the edge of the leaf, but everything's looking pretty good so far. Number one on the list has got to be water conservation. And Arizona has historically had relatively low water cost, and water's been plentiful. That is changing and will continue to change with our situation. I see a lot of promise for RDI in areas that have turf, in areas that have annual flowers and vegetable gardens, as well as ornamental flowers. And the other very exciting area for me is the opportunity to maybe grow plant combinations that historically would have been challenging with our current irrigation system. So we have an opportunity maybe to grow succulents next to more flowering shrubs, maybe next to some ground cover, where in the past, the irrigation for the ground cover and the flowering shrubs would have drowned the succulent. Yeah, I mean, it's really a wild technology, but so far it's working. So I think it's an exciting product to be a part of, and yeah, I'm glad to have the opportunity to work with it, and hope to use it a lot more in the future.